Hey guys, welcome to Automate with Amit. And in this video, where we are covering most asked Java interview questions. So in today's session, we are going to cover one of the most interesting and most asked Java interview questions. Also, these days, these kind of questions are being asked by interviewers. So this is going to be helpful for you, all of you. Okay, so the question is over here, you have to print the numbers without using numbers. Okay, so doesn't that sound interesting? So usually what we do, we try to print the numbers with for loops and all those things. Okay, and where we write for int I equal to 1 and then semicolon I less than equal to in this way. Okay, so for int equals to 1 and I int I equals to 1 and I is less than equals to 100 and I plus plus, like that. Okay, but at this place, what interviewer has asked, you need not to use these numbers, right? So it becomes a little bit tricky. So if a person is not aware of the situation, how to handle this, then he may lose the grounds in the interview, right? So let's understand how we can tackle this issue. Okay, so if you know, each character or each symbol in the Java or any programming language, those are being driven by ASCII characters, ASCII numbers. Okay, so if we say ASCII is one of the American national standards, basically for coding interchange. Okay, so that gives each symbol on the keyboard a particular number. Okay, so like if we say capital A or small a, so these also numbers have been given particular um, numbers, ASCII numbers. So like in this case, small a has been given 97, capital A has been given 65 and all. So how can we see that? So let's see how we can see that. So if you, meanwhile, if you haven't gone through this Java interview series where I have covered all of the Java related questions, so you can go on this and search for your questions. So basically you can look into this and it may be helpful to you. Okay, so let's see ASCII characters. So Wikipedia, on this, you are going to see it is going to give you ASCII character list. Okay, so this table is going to give you all the character names and all those things. See, every particular thing has ASCII number. Okay, so 0 has been given 0. So like here, if you see 96, 65, so 65 is for capital A. Okay, so like that, it is for 65, capital A is there. For 97, if you see, small a is there. All the numbers have been given some ASCII codes. So let's see how we can use this ASCII numbers over here. Okay, so for that, I have created one class, print numbers without numbers. So this is main method. So let me create another method, public static void print number without numbers. And here we are going to use, okay, so for that, what we need to do, we need to use this for loop, right? And here, if we are writing int I equals 1 and I is less than 100 and I is plus plus, and eventually we are trying to print I. So in this way, here it is printing from 1 to 100. So let's see if this works. Okay, it does not because we haven't called this number here. Okay, so it is printing till 100. Okay, so but interviewer has asked us not to use these numbers, right? So how can we remove all these numbers? So we can use this ASCII characters over here, ASCII numbers. So we know that 97 is for small a, then small b is for 98, then small c is for 99, then small d is for 100, right? And here what we can use, like int one, we can create one equals um, b. So here basically what we are trying to do, we are using one more concept over here, is data type conversion. Okay, data type conversion. And second thing is we are also using ASCII characters. Okay, so how we can use this? We can use small a minus small a, which is going to give us 1, but eventually if we are storing this in 1, then it is going to give us although I mean we are subtracting capital characters, one character from another, but eventually we are storing in a integer value, so it is going to give us 1. Okay, let's try seeing this. If this is giving us one number, okay, so let me run this, and you see it has printed over here. Okay, so if I just comment this and try to run this, so it has printed this 1. Okay, so likewise what we can do, we know that d is 100, right? So over here what we can use 1, and over here what we can use 100. So let me int 100 equals uh, d, and we can use this 100 over here and see if this works. Okay, we haven't printed over here as 100, and let me do this. Now we are printing from 1 till 100. So let's see if this works. Great, it worked, right? So it is printing from 1 to 100. So there could be n number of situations, or you can create conditions using where you can create this 1 and 100. Okay, so but at the end of the day, it is going to use these two uh, concepts, which is data type conversion and ASCII characters. So right now, if you want, we can use this also a string. Um, let's see, 10 equals, we can use 10 dots, which is going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we have used this, and eventually it is going to, we can put over here 10 dot length. So we know that length function is going to give us length of a particular string. 10 dot length equals, so this was also gonna work. Let's see. Okay, so this is also at the end of the day, this 10 is not using, by the way, ASCII character. This is just we have counted the length of the string, and with that we are working. So over here again, if we want, we can create string 1 equals, or 1 as equals here. So we can use this also, like this way, where we don't use ASCII characters. So this way we can use 1 as dot length. So this is 1. So this is also gonna work. Okay. So that was all in this video. If you like this video, hit like button, and if you have more solutions to this problem, and you want me to work for any particular interview question, then do comment in the comment box and subscribe to my channel. I hope this is going to help you all, and if you think it is going to help your friends or any person who is going to attend some interviews, then you can share this videos. Okay, So that was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.